I got a Walmart haul. I bought this Screaming Sicilian pizza. It's holy pepperoni. I like this pizza. It's pretty good. Some Simply orange juice. I'm going to be using some of this in a recipe that I got coming up. I bought some oven roasted Hillshire Farm turkey breast. I needed some dish detergent, the Gain. I got this organic raw honey. I bought a 12-ounce can of chunk light tuna, the great value kind. I like to have that sometimes to make tuna fish salad sandwiches. And then I bought this big pack of Perdue chicken breast. It's individually wrapped, and there's 6 to 8 breasts in there. Then I bought a Three Musketeer bar. I haven't had that in a while. I like Three Musketeer. It's my favorite candy bar. And then I bought a mixed pack of, got Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, Hershey's Almond Joy, and Kit Kat. 30 pieces. It's a bag of candy. I keep candy in the refrigerator. I like it cold. And then I saw these that I've never tried. The breaded cheddar cheese curds. I'm going to try those. Because they don't have the mac and cheese bites anymore that I used to buy. I don't know why they stopped carrying it, or it was just stopped being made, or what. But I'm going to try these and see if I like them. Then I bought this big pack of styrofoam plates. It's a great value, 200 plates. It was $7 something. So I thought that was a good deal. I use these styrofoam plates for when I feed the stray cats. I got a strawberry cheese Danish. I bought Pillsbury classic pizza crust. I'm going to be making a recipe with this soon. I got some shredded iceberg lettuce. And these are supposed to be Roma tomatoes. I'm glad I bought 2 because look how small they are. They're usually bigger than that. Bought some calcium, 600 milligrams. It's a Spring Valley brand. 3 Bang Blue Yellow Limoncello energy drinks. And I haven't had the Belvita breakfast cookies in a while, so I bought these. And I like soft cookies. I don't really care for crunchy cookies. And all they had was the banana bread, and I like banana bread, so I'm going to give these a try. Got some Hidden Valley Ranch dressing. They didn't have the cans that I usually get that I like. And I like Hidden Valley Ranch too. And then I thought these salad toppers sounded like they might be good. If any of y'all have had this on your salads, let me know, because I'm going to make a salad too with some of this. So I thought this would be good on a salad. Then I got some black olives. They're sliced. They're the Great Value brand. And the Great Value brand of cream cheese. And then I needed some more Wonder Bread. And I got a 24 pack of Canada Dry ginger ale.